uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa wamukele inkomishi yendebe yomhlaba yeFIFA ehambele kuleli njengengxenye yomjikelezo wayo emazweni azoba ingxenye yomqhudelwano wakulonyaka eMelika, eMexico naseCanada.
Indebe yomhlaba isemazweni ase-Afrika kulezi insuku njengengxenye yomjikelezo wayo emazweni omhlaba, njengoba lokhu kuyingxenye yomkhankaso weFIFA wakhombisa ukulungela ukusingathwa kwalomqhudelwano walonyaka. Indebe yomhlaba ihambela amazwe azoba ingxenye yalomqhudelwano. UMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi bakujabulela ukulethwa kwendebe kuleli, kanti ufisela iBafana Bafana ukuthi ibuye nayo emidlalweni yendebe yomhlaba.
It's really a joyful moment to be here at the Union Buildings. I'm rather glad that we brought the cup here at the Union Buildings. So what we have done is to unveil it and touch it, and it feels very good. It's got a nice touch and feel to it. And we are going to lend it out, but it's going to come back here. So we will allow it to go for a while, and then after the FIFA World Cup, the boys are going to bring it back, and we will have it here at the Union Buildings again.
UNgqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton McKenzie ube ingxenye yabantu abazokwamukela indebe yomhlaba ezindlini zombuso ePitoli.
We are solid, and the message I want to take for you, President, when we put this together, I said you have a new record that is upcoming. You'll be the first president ever to touch the cup twice in 6 months. You touch it today, and you're going to touch it when we win the World Cup. So a record is coming.
Kulomcimbi wokwamukela kwendebe yomhlaba bekukhona nabaqeqeshi beqembu lezwe iBafana Bafana. Ukutheleka kwendebe yomhlaba kuleli kubuyisa umuzwa wangonyaka 2010 khathi izwe lisingethe umqhudelwano wayo.
No, definitely exciting because the last time we were at the World Cup, where we participated in the World Cup, was during the 2010 FIFA World Cup when we hosted it. So it just brings that feeling, the vibe, that we felt in 2010. So it's seeing the trophy here brings the reality of it that Bafana Bafana is actually going to the World Cup, and we're really excited about it as a nation.
Umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba uzobanjelwa eMelika, eMexico kanye naseCanada. Kanti iBafana iyovula neMexico mhla ziyi-11 kuNhlangulana.